Hey everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide distracting items in Safari and focus on what really matters while browsing. Let's get started. Open Safari on your device and navigate to any website of your choice. Tap on the icon, often represented as AA or similar, at the top of your browser. From the drop-down menu, select Hide Distracting Items. Once you click on Hide Distracting Items, ads and other clutter will disappear from the web page. You can also add or customize items on the page using this option. To bring back the hidden content, refresh the web page or click on the icon again. Select Show Hidden Items and click Show. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.